the Chef George from the Evans by Your Catering Company. Today let's cook the best, the most popular recipe in our company Evans by Yours is the flan. Any event that we make, they order flan, and always they are very satisfied with the flan. The ingredients for this recipe flan is 5 fresh eggs, 3 cans of condensed milk, 3 cans of Carnation milk, and pure extract of vanilla 2 spoons. It's very easy. For the caramel, we start with the sugar. Only sugar in the fry pan. 2 cups. Nothing else, only sugar. If the caramel is ready, look how beautiful the color have. And we put now blender, we add the 5 eggs, Carnation milk, 3 cans of Carnation milk. We shake, first of all, before open the cans. 3 cans of condensed milk. And we add 2 spoons of vanilla, pure vanilla extract. That's it. Now we blend it. After we blend it, we have already the caramel in pirate baked tray, and we drop all in this. And it's ready for the oven, 400 Fahrenheit, 1 hour. We put in the oven both flans. I have the order for 2 flans for the huge events, and I put water, hot water, in the tray, and 400 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. But we cover. This hour will be covered with another tray. We cover like this with another tray for 1 hour. Now the flan are ready, and we put this in the fridge because we need that the flan had the consistency to put on the tray and make the presentation for the client. We have the flan after 1 hour, 400 Fahrenheit. We remove the tray and we put another 10 minutes, 350 now.